Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point large intestine 4. With the palm facing down, the point is between the first and second metacarpal bones on the top of the hand. The way you actually find this is to press together the thumb and the pointer finger, and as you squeeze those together, the highest point of flesh between those two at the joint is large intestine 4. In clinic, I instruct my patients to apply the metal element AcuStick to this point multiple times throughout the day. It contains pure essential oils that activate the point. This point is helpful for pain along the large intestine channel, which runs up through the shoulder and neck. It's used for exterior headaches due to wind, and that would be something like a headache while you're having a cold. It's also used for one-sided headaches. You would actually manipulate the opposite side of where the headache is. So most times this point is used for dispersing, and so use a counterclockwise motion if you have time to apply pressure with a pretty medium to deep pressure. So you're manipulating it circularly in a counterclockwise motion. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the Acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.